Wait, don't throw away that old brush. I've got a hack for you to help you paint better details in oil and acrylic.
You know those old brushes that are stiff and hardened that you forgot to clean properly?
You should take them out of your paintbrush graveyard to give them new life and new purpose. Sometimes I want to use a detailed brush, but the existing bristles just aren't firm or sharp enough.
So I'll dig out an old brush that has dried paint or I just didn't clean properly, and it's actually more of kind of like a pointed stick than a brush. I can use that to my advantage when I'm painting details that need a really fine point. So instead of having the give in a brush that is soft and has really plush bristles, I'll just use these hardened ones to kind of get those sharp details that I otherwise have a hard time achieving. The advantage of using a hardened old brush is that you're not going to risk scratching the painting as you would with a skewer or a pointed tool of some other kind.
So don't throw away those old brushes. You might just be able to give them a new purpose, and it's better for the environment. I hope this is a fun little hack for you to employ in your own studio.